Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the options and how to customize intensity of our eye comfort shield in Samsung Galaxy S22. To look for our eye comfort options, we have to go to settings, then under display we have eye comfort shield. By default it's turned off. Let's turn it on. It looks like this at this moment. We can change our color temperature right here. We can also leave it as adaptive. We can also set up our schedule when this function will be active. Start and done. As you can see, now it's set up. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.